Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your crypto coin in a watch list. And the reason why it is good for you to put your crypto or your coin in a watch list is because of the bullish period. Sometimes whenever a coin pumps, you may not know if you're not logged in into your exchange or wallet. So watch list helps you alert you while you're on the go through your phone whenever there's a pump or whenever any coin does a particular percentage or changes in price. So with watch list, you can be alerted while you're on the go through your phone once any coin gets to a certain percentage. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add any coin to your watch list. If you want to add your coin or any cryptocurrency that you invest in a watch list, the very first thing you need to do is to go to Android store or your iTunes store and download CoinMarketCap. I already have it in my phone, so I have to open CoinMarketCap. Once you open CoinMarketCap, you have to sign up in CoinMarketCap. Once you sign up with your email and phone number and open your CoinMarketCap, this is exactly what you're going to see in CoinMarketCap. If you want to add any coin that you invest in your watch list, which is going to alert you once any coin pumps, just go to the search button on top right corner of this app and click on it. All the coins on the market is right here in CoinMarketCap. So you see virtually every coin in CoinMarketCap, unless the coin is not yet listed in any exchange. Now, assuming you invested your money in BTC, just click on BTC, search for BTC. Here is BTC, click on it. Once you click on it, it will bring out BTC and show you the current price of Bitcoin, which is 39,044. Now, if you want to know when this coin goes up or goes down, all you need to do is to click on this star button on the top right corner of this application. Once you click on it, as you can see, it's now blue. You've added this coin on your watch list. So whenever this coin goes up and does maybe 10% or 15% or 7% or goes down lower than 10% or 5%, this app is automatically going to alert you whether you open it or not in your phone. But now you can decide to set in this app to alert you whenever this coin gets to a particular amount or gets lower to a particular amount. You can go to alert, you can see alert, click on alert and click on add alert. Now you can decide to tap tell me whenever Bitcoin gets to $35,000 and you click on get alert. As you can see, showing you arrow that whenever Bitcoin goes lower, gets to $35,000, this app is going to alert you that Bitcoin is now $35,000. Now, if you want to still add a coin and make it higher and tell this app that whenever this coin gets higher than this, let's take for an example, let me search for local, click on local, League of Kingdom. League of Kingdom is $1.8 at this moment. Now click on alert. I've already added League of Kingdom to tell me when League of Kingdom gets to 2.0. You can still click add alert. League of Kingdom is currently at 1.809. You can still set alert and say tell me whenever, click here and clean here and say tell me whenever League of Kingdom gets to 2.0 and say set alert. Once you click on set alert, you will see and make sure that this button is turned on, so that whenever this coin gets to 2.0, automatically it will give you a notification on your phone without you having to bother about anything. So whenever you invest in any coin and you want to get alert whenever the coin goes up so that you don't miss out in any pump, make sure you add your coin in your watch list. Now you can decide to set the amount you want to withdraw your coin. Once it gets to that amount, let this app notify you immediately. So this is exactly how you can add any coin. You can add virtually any coin in CoinMarketCap, and CoinMarketCap will alert you whenever the coin gets to a certain amount, depending on what you set, or goes down to a certain amount if you want to buy at a very lower price. So this is what CoinMarketCap can help you do so that you don't miss out in any pump. If this is your first time to my YouTube channel, my name is Kenna Kingsley. And if you're new here, please consider hitting the subscription button and also the bell button so that you can be notified once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed.